Based on major changes in life on Earth through time, geologists use the principles of faunal succession and relative dating to divide geologic time into four chapters known as eras: the Precambrian, the Paleozoic, the Mesozoic, and the Cenozoic. Later, isotopic dating helped to estimate the starting and ending dates of each era.
Precambrian contains nearly 90% of geologic time. Simple forms of life, such as bacteria and algae that formed the fossils called stromatolites, existed at that time. About 1.5 billion years ago, organisms began to reproduce sexually, which led eventually to multicellular organisms.
A period of rapid evolutionary change, called the Cambrian explosion, led to the Paleozoic era. Over this era, first there were present creatures like corals and mollusks that later developed into large reefs. Fish, insects, seedless plants, amphibians, and reptiles appeared for the first time and further diversified until an event of major extinction called the Great Dying gave end to this era.
During early Mesozoic, small dinosaur-like creatures, mammals, and seed-bearing trees appeared on the land, while there were coiled ammonites and other marine animals on the seas. In the Middle Mesozoic, early birds appeared for the first time, and sea creatures and dinosaurs diversified. By the end of the Mesozoic, flying reptiles and flowering plants appeared for the first time, and dinosaurs and insects further diversified.
The KP extinction, when the dinosaurs disappeared, marked the transition between the Mesozoic and Cenozoic eras. Eventually, mammals rapidly diversified to fill many niches left behind by the KP extinction. Over time, these mammals underwent many changes. By the late Cenozoic, large mammals roamed the continents but went extinct by the end of the ice ages. The first humans, the Homo sapiens, appeared more than 3,000 years ago, and since then became the dominant species on Earth.